Noah. How are the Cheerios? Are they tasty? Is it a tasty breakfast? Oopsie. Another Cheerio? Ooh. It's okay. I don't think I want one right now. You can have it. Thank you, though. Good morning, Cheerios. Good morning. Good morning. It's okay. You can have it. You want Mama to have it? Okay. Oh, no. You're faking up. Hey, 早安. Hey, say 早安. You want to give to me or not? No? Okay. It's all for you. All for you.